Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I have a clean and declutter with me. I actually think that when you're cleaning or tidying your house is the perfect time to do a little bit of decluttering. You are already there, you're going through, you're neatening everything up. Why not have a look and see if there's something that you need or don't need that you can get rid of. I also get rid of lots of just empty bottles and those sorts of things. They're things we don't think about. They clutter up our lives, and so if you can get rid of them when you're already there cleaning, it's the perfect opportunity. So I hope you like this video.
On a run from a given disaster.
I always like to start in my kitchen just because I feel like it is the center of the home, and this particular day I had only made breakfast and lunches, and so it was pretty good, but I'm just going to tidy things up. This particular day was ridiculously hot, so if you see my baby in several stages of undress, that is why. So all I'm doing now is just working my way around the kitchen, decluttering and taking things off my baby who's trying to pull everything out of the cupboard and the fridge. So we have one day where we stay home and I just try and get some things done around the house. And I'm going to start working my way around the kitchen, pulling out anything that we do no longer need. But my baby is losing his business, so sometimes you just have to be the mama and carry the baby and then change things up and try and find something that's gonna work. Because it was such a hot day, I thought it would be really fun for him to play with the water outside, so we are just going to wash down our windows. We live across the road from the beach, and the salt water just leaves this horrible residue, so we're just washing down the windows.
Keep on driving and driving along the roads and end. Lost my head over my back between the chores and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
As you can see, Hamish has decided he would prefer to wash himself than the windows, but we're having a good time. Now I'm just taking my vinegar spray and just spraying down the inside of the windows to get rid of any toddler marks on the inside, and Bubba's still outside. So this little corner of my kitchen tends to accumulate just all those knick-knacky things that you don't need that just come into the house. So we are just getting rid of those, and I'm just starting a little pile of things that either need to go to a new home or back to somebody else while I'm cleaning, or things I no longer need, like this giant knife that I never ever use because I hate cooking. So Now I'm just going through and tidying some of the drawers and cupboards. This is another cupboard where stuff just gets put because it has nowhere else to go. So I'm just going through it. There was some things like some medicine that we didn't need, some coasters that we were no longer using, a cover for a drink bottle that my husband doesn't use anymore. And it's just so good to be able to move these things on and either give them a new home or get rid of them. Now I'm just moving on to my lounge room. Our lounge room is very minimal, so there's really not that much to declutter, so I'm just giving it a clean. I like to spot clean my fabric lounges. I can actually take the full covers off these, and I do that every couple of months, but in between that, if I see any marks, I just spray them, use a microfiber cloth, and I vacuum them so to get rid of all the crumbs.
We're getting close. We should take a pic, baby, strike a pose. I remember every day that I spent right here with you.
So guys, I actually just got this vacuum cleaner, which is new to us. It is actually a second-hand one. I still adore my robot vacuum, and you will see him doing a great job later. But if I'm in a hurry or want to vacuum out like chairs or fans or anything like that, this has been a great addition because I can just quickly do that, and then I can run my robot either when I'm leaving or in a bedroom once I've already cleaned it.
What happened to us? What happened to all the love we always took for granted?
So guys, I'm just tidying up this paper workstation we have. It's where we keep our homework and our library books, and so I like to go through that and make sure everything's neat and tidy, as well as vacuuming my rug.
To ignite love, I need no second chances. I'm tired of romances without love. So where do we go when we can't find our way? I don't wanna be alone. I need you tonight and I don't wanna wait. I want you to show me the way. 'Cause I'm a satellite around you.
I absolutely adore these chairs from IKEA, but they've got these tiny holes which are like traps for dirt and food, so I'm eternally cleaning them because stuff gets stuck in there. Now I'm just moving all the stuff that I've already found to declutter onto this table, and then I'm going to get cracking on another clutter zone, which is my hallway cupboards, which is my linen cupboard. We keep all our craft and art supplies here, and all sorts of stuff makes its way there. So it's a great idea whenever I want to give it a straighten up is to look through it and see if there's anything I can get rid of that I no longer use. Because those things were bringing us some sort of purpose at one point. You bought them for a reason, probably like me, you have an area like this, but it's great to just go through and clear it out when you're doing a tidy up.
Where do we go when we can't find our way? I don't wanna be alone. So what do we do when we're lost and depraved? I need you to show me the way. 'Cause I'm a satellite around you. Tonight, nothing's gonna bring me down.
This is my laundry cupboard, and it's where I keep our medicines, anything I use for washing or cleaning, and it's also where I keep all of our hair cutting stuff. our house is really old and everything is chipboard, so I'm constantly vacuuming inside cupboards to get rid of chipboard particle. And it's not perfect, it's not Pinterest worthy, but everything is neat and tidy, and I was able to clean up and get rid of any bottles or things that had been used up. Now I'm just moving on to the girls' room. They had a particularly early morning, so I told them, don't worry about the bedroom, I'm coming in to clean today. So I'm just going through, removing any library books, setting up any of our personal books and giving it a quick tidy. The girls are really good at going through their toys quite regularly, so there was actually nothing to declutter from this room, but we're just giving it a nice clean and getting rid of all the dust that accumulates on the fans and the floor. Now this keyboard had been given to my daughters, however the power supply had died and it wasn't working very well for them, and it was quite large for their size room, so we're going to rehome that to someone who is able to have it. And now I'm just going to quickly steam up my floors because it's like my favorite thing to do. As you can see, my apprentice has woken up from his nap, and so he's just chatting to me while I vacuum all the dust off this fan. If you guys have pedestal fans, you probably already know, but those are an absolute dust collector. So my favorite way to clean them is to use the vacuum. That way all the dust is sucked straight back up, and give it a quick wipe over.
As firefighters, you got me dancing in your storm, looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire.
Now I'm just moving on to our bedroom. It was really pretty good on this particular day, but I am just folding washing and chatting to Hamish. I go through our clothes all the time. Anytime I see something that's no longer fitting, I get the kids to put it straight in a bag that I have set aside for stuff to go to a charity shop or a friend. And we also have a separate basket for clothes that another child might grow into. So I actually didn't have any clothes to declutter on this particular day, but I do constantly on the lookout for anything that we're no longer wearing or using so that we can move that on straight away.
See, I've been building walls, you break them down, break them down. Oh, every time I go, brings back your love, back your love.
So guys, here is my after I wouldn't be a clean with me if I didn't show you it finished for the 2 seconds before I go and pick up the big kids from school. But everything was nice and clean and tidy and set back to the way we like it. And I also wanted to show you all of the stuff I was able to get rid of. So we have been at minimalism for 7 years now, and there is still always stuff to get rid of. So I counted, I got 30 items that are going to either new homes or have been discarded, as well as this big pile of empty bottles which I found in my laundry and bathroom. So I hope this has encouraged you to maybe declutter or clean something in your house. Let me know in the comments below. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're new, we would absolutely love to have you subscribe. And I will catch you guys in the next one.